Good everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva AI. So Canva has added these cool features to their software called AI. So this AI can actually do a lot of things for you if you are a graphic designer. So if you are trying to create amazing graphics with Canva, you can actually leverage this AI to create amazing artworks. Also, if you are unable to use Canva AI, maybe because you don't have a pro account, there's a video on my channel that you can watch to get Canva Pro account for free without doing any subscription. You'll be seeing the video on top of this video currently, or even in the description down below. So you can also create Canva Pro account for yourself with the tutorial I did in the last video. So let's get into the system right now. I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI. This is a simple illustration on how to use Canva AI. Canva has released some cool stuff recently, and which AI is part of it. The AI is a very cool feature of Canva. I've tried it out and it's very amazing. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it in this video. So if you want to start with it, if you don't have Canva account, you can actually create one, or check one of my video I created recently on how to get Canva Pro account for free. So if you've gotten your Canva account, you can just come to this side where it says create. But yeah, click on the create button up here. Once you click on the create button up here, so you can just choose any size you want. I'll be using the YouTube banner size to as a scratch, yeah, because the size is kind of big and easy to work with. So this will be an empty workspace. Yes, this is an empty workspace, so it depends on the your imagination on whatever you want to create. So you first create an empty workspace just like this, choosing from any of the dimension you like. So YouTube banner dimension is the one I just choose from right now. You can also choose other dimension like maybe Instagram. So there are a lot of Instagram dimensions also. So you have Instagram square, portrait, profile picture, and all those different dimensions like that. So it's going to be able to create an empty workspace rather. So just like this, see, this is an empty workspace using the YouTube banner dimension. So instead of using templates like this, you know, this is an example of templates that you might work with. So instead of using templates, you can just use Canva AI straight. So you come to the Magic Media right here. The option is at the left hand side here, below here at the left hand side. So you can see the Magic Media down below here. So you click on the Magic Media. So after click on the Magic Media, you're going to see something like this. These are the examples of the designs you might be able to create with using Canva AI. So this is the space provided for you to type in whatever you want to create, any imagination you have, you want to bring out to life. So for example, let me just try maybe a female drummer, or let me just type something like a young female drummer, a young female drummer. So let's see what it's going to give us. But before that, this section right here, which says styles. So these are the kind of styles you might want to choose from. So the AI is going to work based on this style. So let me choose this style, and so just choose any dimension you also want it to create with, maybe this square, landscape, portrait, and that's also, I'm just going to choose the square right here. I choose this style. So you click on generate here. So after clicking on generate, it's going to generate 4 different options for you to choose from. As you can see, it's actually generating it. So let's wait for it to generate all the 4 options for us. Now, as you can see, it has generated different images of a young female drummer for us. So let me click on it. Let me click on this one. So as I click on it, you can see this is one option. If you like this one, you can actually work with this one. Let's say you are trying to create something and you can't find what you needed online, or maybe there might be a lot of copyrights on any of Google images. So this Canva AI is something you can actually use because there won't be any copyright for this, and there will be a lot of options you can choose from. So you can also choose any of the ones here you like. So as you can see, these images are so pure and beautiful. So let's say I'm trying to create different female drama images. This is an example of what I can use. As you can see, not all of the images are actually good, so you're going to choose the one that you know is good. Just like this, the AI didn't get the stick correctly, so you might not be able to use it, but the female image is very vibrant and cool. So, and if you don't like any of the image it generates for you, you can regenerate. So this is an option for you here to generate again. So you just click on generate again right here. So it's going to generate another 4 set of images for you. As you can see, it has generated another 4 sets of young female drama. So I like this one right here, but let's wait for the fourth one. Okay, it has generated the fourth. So let's say this is what we wanted to work with. So you just click on it, it's going to bring it to life for you. So let's say I want to work with this image. So what else do you think I can put in this empty space that can make it a perfect and complete podium? So let's just go back to the AI and type another thing for it to generate for us. Let's say a musical concert stage. So I imagine putting this female drama in a musical concert stage, and that's exactly what I've put in this empty space for it to generate for me. So let's click on generate and see what it's going to give us. So I'm trying to generate a musical concert stage, and I'm going to put this female drama right there. As you can see, it has generated 4 different types of musical concert stage. Let's say, for example, we are going to work with this one. So as I've clicked on it, I might try to put in the girl inside it. So I'm just going to make this stage to go to the back. So I'm going to change the layer. I'm going to send it to the back. So once I send it to the back, I'm going to set it as the image background, and I'm going to remove the background of this female drama. This depends on your imagination. So I'm trying to put this girl in this on this stage. So let's remove the background of this image. So go to edit photo. After clicking on this image, you just go to edit photo and remove background. This is the option to remove background here. As you can see, it has removed the background. You can cut that part away. So you know what I'm trying to say. So you can just cut that part away, put the girl or just anything you feel like doing. So, and if you imagine putting anything on the stage again, you can just tweak any other thing you want. You can put any other prompt, like okay, a big drum. So now it has generated 4 different kind of drums for us. So imagine putting this particular one on this stage. Yes, this particular drum on this stage. You can just remove the background, so it's not going to contradict the main stage. So whatever you have in mind that you just want to do with Canva AI, you can actually do it with your stuff. As you can see, imagine me putting this on the stage. This is another design right here. So that's just how to use Canva AI. So once again, if you don't know how to access it, once you are on the Canva homepage like this, just click on create, the create button, and you can choose any custom size you want, or you can just choose from any temp already made size. So for example, you can choose any of the size, just input the size you want in this empty space, the width and height. Okay, so me, I'm just going to, so it's going to give you an empty workspace right here that you can work with. Then don't forget, you are going to scroll down at the bottom here where you see Magic Media. So you click on the Magic Media, then you have access to the Canva AI. So once you have access to the Canva AI, you type whatever you want to put in here, then you choose the style you want. After choosing the style, then you choose the aspect ratio, which is also known as the dimension. So you click on generate to generate the prompt you input. So that is that about that on how to use Canva AI. There are a lot of things you can use with it, you can do with it rather. So if you also want to get Canva Pro account, there is a video I created and it's on my channel already. You can watch it on how to get Canva Pro account for free. So as you can see, look at, for example, take a look at this wonderful image that Canva AI created. So Canva is very good right now with AI. So let's take a look at this. You can see what I type. I just type some random stuff here right here. Look at what I type. I type some random stuff, and these are what it generates for me. So if you kind of want to play around with it, you can also do the same. Let's see what it's going to generate for you. So if this video has already helped you in one way or another, please just subscribe to this channel for more. I'm going to provide you more videos that is of much value. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.